In this tutorial, you'll learn how to extend a video's duration in Canva using the timeline and media tools. First, select the Edit Project tab to begin making changes. If your project is for social media, choose the social media icon, then pick the landscape video option to set the correct aspect ratio. Now, select your video thumbnail to open it for editing. To adjust your video's length, use the timeline controls and move the playhead to where you want to add or modify content. Select the text option if you want to insert titles or captions, or explore all trending text styles for inspiration. Next, choose a video thumbnail to add more footage. Enhance your project further by clicking on stock videos and selecting items from the media list to extend your timeline with new clips. To fine-tune timing, drag the timeline scrubber to adjust your playback position. Go to the Videos section for additional content and expand the timeline view for easier editing of longer videos. Finally, select the application icon to access other tools. Then click the Stop Recording button when you've finished editing your extended video. You've now learned how to extend a video in Canva. Happy editing!